Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Apex Drawdown Zero EA, and this one is designed for MT5. Okay, just gonna walk you through how it looks on the MQL5 marketplace, break down how the system operates, and then we'll move into a back test so we can actually see how it behaves in real market conditions. So here we are on the MQL5 marketplace, and this is the Apex Drawdown Zero, currently priced at 997 US dollars, and then it's also available for rent, 650 US dollars per 3 months. All right. Right away, this EA is positioned as a professional gold trading system built specifically for XAUUSD on the M15 time frame. All right, we can see that here. Now, one thing I notice immediately is that this EA is very focused, right? It's not trying to trade multiple pairs or multiple strategies. It's built around a single well-defined setup, which is usually a good sign in terms of consistency. Another key detail is that the system limits itself to just one trade per day. You can see that here, right? That's the default configuration. Okay, so this already tells me that this is more about precision and control rather than high frequency trading. So overall, this looks like a structured rule-based system focused on controlled breakout opportunities. Now let's just break down how this EA is structured. At its core, this is a range breakout strategy. What it does is identify a low volatility range during the Asian session, and then it looks to trade the breakout when price moves outside that range with momentum, right? So one of the most important features here is the fixed stop loss model. Every trade has a predefined stop loss based on the size of the range. This matters because risk is clearly defined before entering the trade and there is no uncontrolled exposure. But at the same time, since the stop loss is tied to the range size, in larger ranges, the stop can be wider, which increases risk per trade. All right. Another key aspect is the one trade per day limit, right? This helps control over trading, reduce emotional or algorithmic overexposure, and keep drawdown more predictable. But the trade-off is that if a setup is missed or fails, there is no immediate recovery opportunity within the same day. The EA also includes an optional end-of-day close feature. So instead of leaving trades open overnight, it can close positions at a specific time. This helps reduce overnight risk, especially important for gold, which can react strongly to global events. All right, so there's also a range filter and optional news filter. These help avoid weak breakouts or high impact news periods. This improves trade quality, but it can also reduce the number of trades taken. And importantly, this EA avoids no martingale, no grade, no position averaging. So every trade is independent with controlled risk, but also no built-in recovery mechanism. All right, so let's just quickly move into the strategy tester. We have already covered the main features of this EA. Okay. And in a moment, we are going to have the EA added to our navigator. All right. So the Apex Drawdown Zero. Now for this test, I'm going to be running it on XAUUSD. The M15 time frame, which is exactly how the EA is designed to operate. And I'm testing it from the start of the year to get a realistic sample of recent conditions. But as always, a longer backtest across different market environments gives a much more reliable picture than a short test. All right, let's just start the test. Okay. All right, so we have the Apex Drawdown Zero EA active. We can see, you know, the EA is hunting for opportunities already. You can see these important details at this left hand side. The EA is currently scanning, right? And then we can see the risk here. We can see the lot size. You can see the SL, the TP, right? Active sessions, account exfil, services discovered, and all of these things, right? So if you look at what is happening, you see that price is moving within a relatively tight range currently. So this might actually be the Asian session, probably. Maybe the Asian session range being established where volatility is typically lower, right? Anyways, let's watch as price reacts around this range. We're gonna have a breakout in a bit. Yep. And then we are just still waiting for the EA to give us the first trade. Okay. Currently, we still have profit at $0 US. No trade has been taken yet. Free margin remains at 3,000, balance 3,000, equity 3,000. All right. The first trade has finally been executed. We can see that. Okay. So you notice that there is only one position open, no stacking, no scaling. This aligns with the single trade per day rule, keeping exposure controlled. Right. Let's just continue. All right. So you would see that a stop loss has already been set. It's a buy trade, and the stop loss had been set. Okay. So we are seeing the trade close as we are seeing the trade go on. It has not yet closed, right? It's still fluctuating. Okay. So price is currently fluctuating. So it's either it comes down and hits the stop loss, or it continues to the direction of the trade, and the EA does its method for closing in profit. Let's keep going. We can see here running in profit. You can see the balance, the equity, floating profit. You can see here. All right. The information is being displayed here in real time. Okay. So overall, what we are seeing is a session based breakout strategy focused on capturing controlled moves after consolidation. All right. It performs best when the market forms clean ranges during low volatility, and when breakouts happen with strong momentum, and when gold moves directionally after consolidation. Okay. However, the EA may struggle when breakouts are false or weak, and maybe when the market conditions are choppy, and also when price repeatedly breaks and returns into the range, right? Because in those situations, breakout systems can get caught in failed moves. Okay. So we're just going to be skipping this to the end. Remember that this is a one trade per day EA, so we are not really expecting to have multiple trades in a day. And you can see the price is currently fluctuating. This particular trade that has been executed now is still moving between floating loss and floating profit. All right. So we're just going to skip to the end so that we can analyze the results together. Okay. All right. So the results are out, and based on what we can see here, the EA yielded a net profit of about 200 and over, actually over 250%, because we had an initial deposit of 3,000 US dollars and net profit is about 7,699 US dollars. And we had total trades of 76, 29 short trades, 44.83% we are profitable. And then we had 47 long trades, 48.94% we are profitable. Okay. Now, just remember that these are historical backtest results, not guarantees of future performance. So, results will always depend on risk settings, lot size, market conditions, broker execution, and all of that, right? And since this EA relies on precise timing and execution, spread and latency can also play a role. So, it's important to test and optimize based on your own setup. Okay, so overall, Apex Drawdown Zero EA is a focused, rule based breakout system designed for disciplined trading on gold. And what stands out is its structured approach to risk, clear entry and exit logic, and controlled exposure with one trade per day. But at the same time, it relies heavily on clean breakout conditions and may struggle in choppy or false breakout environments. So, this is the type of EA that works best when market structure is clean, execution conditions are good, and expectations are realistic. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.